everyone. Today we have to talk about Bitcoin because as you can see, Bitcoin is literally down almost 13% in the last 7 days. So that is absolutely crazy. It just shows you how fast the market truly moves. It went from 105K all the way down to about 89K, and now it's back at 91, but it's not finished yet. So I'm going to talk about where I believe Bitcoin is about to go now. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over this, guys. So like I said, in the last week, down 12% in the last week, 10% in the last 2 weeks, 17% in the last month. And then you can see now we're at 91K. So yeah, the fear and greed index is at 16, and that's extreme fear. Yesterday, it was at 15, which is also still extreme fear. Guys, I still believe we are going to hit 85K. Now, we either hit 85K and we bounce off 85K, or we come down here to 74K, then bounce off 74K. It could be either one of those, okay? But me personally, I'm leaning more towards 85K because my theory is still standing tall. And what is my theory? Well, we had a 32% drop on the first pump for this rally. And I know I might sound redundant at this point, but still, I gotta explain it. 32% drop at the first point of the rally, and then that bull flag, and then the second rally, 32% drop followed by a falling wedge, and then the third one where it would be a 32% drop if we go to 85K, and then we also have the falling wedge here, also a bearish expanding triangle. The bearish expanding triangle is also one of the reasons why it broke down. As you can see here, falling wedge is bullish, but even though we had that bullish falling wedge, we still broke out of it. And then you can see here the bearish expanding triangle right there. So we just got to keep watching it to see where it goes next. Now, also, the other thing I wanted to mention, lots of selling pressure here on the MACD, but it could reverse soon when we hit 85K. We'll see. And also, hopefully, we do not break this right here. If this breaks on the %R trend exhaustion, then we are actually screwed. Then it will continue to sell off, and then the long-term trend will come down as well. Not completely screwed, but that'll be the case where it goes down to 74K, right? This right here is the case of 85K. If this starts to curve upwards and this comes down and it's like just curves upwards, 85K. But if not, and we see something like this right here, continuing further downwards, then that's when we see 74K and then the revival from there. So we have to wait and see. But yeah, this is definitely getting really tricky at this point. And if anyone's wondering, this is the %R trend exhaustion. I always use it as a free indicator. You can get it on TradingView. So anyways, that's what we're seeing there for the weekly chart for Bitcoin. I still believe 85K is coming. It's only a matter of time. We're completely oversold on the %R trend exhaustion for the daily, but as you can see for the weekly chart, it's not completely oversold yet. So that's why I like to look at the long-term perspective. So here on the MACD, the selling looks like it's just increasing and increasing. One more wave of selling could come, followed by the actual pump. So that's what I'm hoping for. That's what we're all hoping for, right? Getting down to 85K and then having a nice breakout from there. I think most people would like something like that. But anyways, moving on from this, we also have the 4-hour chart still oversold. So everything's oversold right now. The crypto greed or fear and greed index is all the way down at 16. So it's extreme fear. So we should see, a breakout coming soon, apparently, according to what's his name? You already know the guy. I don't know. I can't remember his name right now. Anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.